What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to our channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button. In today's video, we're actually going to be building my girlfriend's BMW. So we decided to do some content on it since we build cars and all. So we're actually going to wrap it. It's already red, but we want to actually wrap it in satin red. And we want to do like a little conversion kit. So you can see we got the M3 bumper right here. And we're probably going to get some rims on it. We're probably going to throw on like a M3 back bumper on it. We're not going to throw on any M3 badges, so don't worry.
We're not one of those guys.
Yeah. So we're just gonna do. We're still gonna put all the. Cause I think this is the electric one, huh?
Yeah.
So this is electric. So I don't know why I'm asking you. It's my girlfriend's car. But yeah. So we're pretty much gonna throw all the badges back on. 330i, but it comes fully loaded with nice ass seats.
Yeah, the stitching on it too. Red stitching, which is pretty cool.
Really nice seats, red stitching. So red stitching, red car, making it matte red or
Vampire Red.
Vampire
Satin Red.
Vampire Satin Red. But yeah, it's my girl's favorite color. So yeah, let's get to it, and hope you guys like this kind of content, wrapping cars, right?
Yep.
We wrap a lot of cars.
Oh yeah.
So, but we're not only wrapping it, we're also building it, giving like a little front end conversion,
rims,
exhaust,
everything. Yeah,
all the
basically
good stuff.
The good deal.
We're gonna do like a roof black, throw a little maybe carbon fiber lip on it, really nice diffuser, all this good stuff. But for now, we're gonna start off with wrapping it and the front bumper, and then we're gonna get to all the other stuff later, right?
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
is it sorry to let you go? Let you go. it so hard to let you go?
Alright guys, 6 hours later, we're still going at the car. So let me just go over the car a little bit, show you what we've done so far. So let's start off with the bumper. So wrapped it, installed it, everything. Did a little logo red, I think it looks cool. He actually did it. So the hood is done, the fender's done, the other fender's done. Door panels are done, quarter panel is done.
Doors, not door panels.
Doors.
Door panels are original.
The door panels, but doors panels have red stitching, so still red on the inside. These doors are done. The door handles are done. Look how sick that looks. That looks sick. So the mirror, we did the mirror gloss black. What else?
Chrome delete.
Yeah, we're doing like chrome delete all over the car. You guys can see it's all blacked out on this side. Once we come to that side, it's all chrome still over here. We still got the mirror to do, the rest of the door handles, all that good stuff. We're actually going to do the roof black, right? We're going to do the roof black, gloss black. And what we got left is the back bumper, the trunk, the roof, and the rest of chrome delete. And we're pretty much done with the wrap, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so one day, we're wrapping a full car in one day, and it's actually quality work. Because we've been doing this for years. We've been wrapping cars for a really long time. So corners are perfect. All around, the corners are looking mint, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so.
These antennas are a pain in the ass to take off. They're on window glue.
Alright guys, so yeah, we're gonna get back at it and kill the other quarter panel, the trunk, the bumper, chrome delete, and that's pretty much it.
You're doing the side skirts.
Side skirts, oh boy, I forgot side skirts. We're probably gonna drop it on the lift and do the side skirts on the lift. We're gonna lift it up in there. I'll make it work. I'll make it work. Make it work. Alright, let's get to it. Check this out. I don't know if this is normal. The car is completely off. Check this out. Nobody inside. And the car is off. It's not started or anything. So check this out. Spray it. Tesla got nothing on electric BMWs. This thing just like that. Keep spraying the window. It just keeps wiping it for you. The car is off though. So I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to do that. Maybe it's not. But whatever. You know, it works with me. Works with you?
Works with me.
Works with you?
Yep.
Alright, let's keep rapping.
Alright. Just lay it on. Lay it on. We got it. Alright guys, the car is 100% complete with the wrap job. We still have to throw some rims on there and some new tires. So we did get this bumper, the M bumper. We left these originally gloss black. We did not wrap these parts right here. We wrapped the rest of the bumper in the red.
I like how we did that logo right there.
Yeah, we did that logo right there. We also did the black mirror caps. Black mirror caps, the chrome delete around the windows, and the black roof. That just gives it that little touch. Black handles, and then we threw some little stickers on here.
Little M Performance sticker.
M Performance stickers from both sides.
We got the spoiler coming.
Yeah, spoiler's on its way, rims on the way. The diffuser, we did do it in carbon fiber.
Yeah, we ran out of black, so we just went ahead and got it, a carbon fiber diffuser. But that's only for now. We are going to throw on a different diffuser because we're planning to do like a quad exhaust on it or something.
Yeah.
But that's a little bit later on.
This wrap is by 3M. It's the 2080 series. So is the roof on the top. That's also the 2080 series. It's really, the color's sick, man.
All right, let's take this car outside. Let's do some rolling shots. Go have a walk around all over the car so you guys can see actually how this color pops in the sun and outside.
Let's see how the car looks in natural lights. Under LED lights. Let's see under natural sunlight.
Yeah, let's take this car outside. Let's get it.
Alright guys, so this is actually going to be it for today's video. We did complete the wrap job on this car. It does look amazing in the sun too. We're going to be doing little stuff to this car like the spoiler, maybe a rear bumper, right? We're going to get the M rear bumper.
Yeah, we will.
And then also the rims. So stuff like that we might be just posting on our Instagram. So go ahead and keep up with our Instagram at Foreign Builds. And then please like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.